Hey foodies! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a classic Jamaican dish that's sure to make your taste bud dance. Jamaican oxtail. Here I have all the ingredients that I'll be using. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I hope y'all enjoy. Now, before we get started, let me tell you a little story. The first time I tried making oxtail, I was so nervous about getting it right. But trust me, with a little patience and the right spices, you'll be a pro in no time. With that being said, now let's start. First, we're going to chop our onions, and while that's happening, let me ask you, what's your favorite comfort food? Like your favorite, like your most favorite comfort food? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear it. Then we're going to cut our carrots into rings, or you can split it in half and julienne it, or simply chop it into large chunks. It's all up to you, really. Next, we're going to dice our tomatoes, scallions, thyme, garlic, and our pepper. And you don't necessarily have to dice it. You can julienne it or chop it into chunks. It's all up to you. Once we're finished, we're going to get those oxtail pieces cleaned and seasoned. I like to use a mixture of powdered seasonings, and this mixture you can find it in the description down below, so you can check that out. I also love to use my onions, my scallions, thyme, tomatoes, garlic, and ginger for that authentic kick. And remember, guys, the key to great oxtail is letting those spices really soak in. Once we're finished adding all those seasonings, we want to give it a good mix. So we're going to mix everything together. Put you back into it. And then we'll add our browning. And this is to darken the meat a little. Then we're going to add some soy sauce to it and combine everything together. And don't forget to let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour, or maybe overnight if you can. It makes all the difference, trust me. And remember, guys, if it ain't tender, it ain't oxtail. Alright, now that our oxtail is marinated and ready to go, it's time to brown those oxtails. First, we're going to heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or any oil that you prefer in a large or big enough pot. Once it's nice and hot, we'll add our oxtail pieces and just listen to that sizzle. We're looking for a beautiful caramelized brown on all sides. This step is very crucial for building that deep, rich flavor we all love. And while we're browning the oxtail, let me know in the comments if you have ever tried making oxtail before. Any funny kitchen mishaps? I love to hear your stories. Okay, back to the oxtail. Once they're brown, we're going to add in a cup of water, then bring it to a boil and let it simmer for a good 2 hours or until the oxtail is tender. Trust me, the wait is worth it, guys, because if it ain't tender, it ain't oxtail. Then after the 2 hours, our oxtail should have this dark color. And then we're going to add our ketchup, and this will add even more depth to our dish, and that's what we're aiming for. And don't forget to add those carrots in the last 30 minutes. They will soak up all the flavors and add a sweet flavor that's just perfect. While we wait, why not share your favorite side dish to pair with oxtail? Rice and peas, steamed white rice, or something else? Let me know. And there you have it, guys, the perfect oxtail. You can serve it up with some rice and peas, and you'll get yourself a meal that's very delicious and pure comfort on a plate. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this delicious Jamaican oxtail. If you try this recipe, be sure to tag me in your photos. I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!